With a growing concern for health and wellness in the world, the journey to healthy living is one of the trending topics today. Everyone wants to be healthy and stay healthy, but not everyone can maintain his exercise schedule. So what should you do? We all know that exercising regularly is good for our health, but did you know that you can shed pounds by eating your favorite foods? Keto comfort food and a low-carb breakfast are among the best ways to help you on your journey to a healthy life. Let's find out how. Low-carb breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and has a significant impact on your productivity and journey to healthy living. That's why it is critical to make the right decision. A high-carb breakfast has some adverse side effects on your body. Consuming a high-carb breakfast can cause a spike in insulin levels, leading to a crash in energy and an increase in blood sugar levels. It can also result in weight gain since carbs are more calorie-dense than protein or fat. The side effects of a high-carb breakfast are increased hunger, increased cravings for sugars and sweets, cavities, and impaired cognitive function. Now, would you want to start your journey to a healthy day with a high-carb breakfast? Low-carb breakfast, on the contrary, is usually high in protein and fat, which helps keep you full for hours, reduces cravings later in the day, and gives you the energy you need to start your day. These breakfasts are suitable for people who have diabetes, as they typically contain fewer carbohydrates than other breakfasts. This type of diet limits the intake of carbohydrates and sugars, which can lead to weight loss. They also help keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the day, decreasing hunger to reducing cravings for unhealthy carbs. Keto comfort food. More and more people are turning to the ketogenic diet with hopes of achieving weight loss goals. Keto comfort food refers to foods high in fat, low in carbohydrates, and moderate in protein. These foods can be eaten when following a ketogenic diet that's been shown to help with weight loss and other health benefits. You want to make sure you're getting a good balance of these three components in your journey to healthy living. Keto comfort food is the perfect way to enjoy your favorite dishes without sabotaging your diet. They are designed to be flavorful and offer a healthy range of choices for satisfying cravings. These foods help you feel cozy from the inside and meet your comfort cravings. Foods such as bacon, eggs, beef, butter, cheese, avocado, pizza, lasagna, and macaroni and cheese are all keto comfort foods and can be included in meal prep low-carb. Clean keto. Clean keto, one of the many types of keto diets, is a type of diet that is high in fat and low in carbs. It's one of the many types of ketogenic diets. The goal of clean keto is to eat primarily whole, natural, and unprocessed foods. Clean keto consists of foods that are rich in minerals, vitamins, and other essential nutrients. The goal of the diet is to help the body under ketosis, resulting in losing weight and feeling more energized. A clean keto diet consists of mostly non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, free-range eggs, grass-fed beef, olive oil, avocado, broccoli, spinach, mushrooms, high-quality proteins, etc. Low-carb meal prep. A keto diet is a great way to maintain weight loss or lose weight in the long term. However, it cannot be easy to plan out each day. When you are in a rush, it is easy to grab something unhealthy when there is no time to prepare a healthy meal. This is where low-carb meal prep comes in handy. Low-carb meal prep is becoming an integral part of the journey to a healthy life. Not only can it help you get in shape, but it also saves you time and money. Low-carb meal prep is the process of preparing meals in advance to reduce the amount of time you spend cooking and eating. Meal prep low-carb can be done using several different methods, such as cooking large batches of food at once or using leftovers from previous meals. Meal prep low carbs reduce the temptation to eat unhealthy foods and save from everyday decisions about eating for lunch or dinner. Save time, lose pounds, and stay on track with meal prep low carb. In conclusion, it can be seen that there are many simple ways to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Take small steps each day to avoid unhealthy weight gain. Eating a balanced diet and exercising will work wonders for your health in any capacity. Take the time to prioritize your needs and do what is necessary to stay healthy. It will pay off in the long run. Get a free custom keto diet by clicking the link in the description.